Good morning, everybody. Troy here, Troy's Hobbies. Just arrived. I didn't even make it in the house yet. My Amazon package just arrived. This is actually for a motorcycle. It's made for the Insta360. I guess they call it a blind pole or something. Motorcycle selfie stick camera mount, but it also, you can mount a, sorry for the background noise, construction behind me, neighbors. But this is collapsible. But I wanted to use this on my Coroma scooter. But as you can see, it collapses. And it comes with some accessories. I'm hoping this fits. It looks like it will. I'm gonna try and fit this on the back and see if I can get a side shot or back shot. Oh, that didn't sound right from coming from a guy. But yeah, look at this. Really good. There's some rubber here. Oh, this is a heavy duty plastic. This ain't cheap plastic. Comes with a ball attachment right there. Some more accessories for the GoPro, which I need. Safety lanyard, looks like it. I'm not sure what this is. We'll find that out. Looks like a little, oh, it's for tightening down. Don't know what these are. And a cleaning cloth. So let's, I'm gonna read the instructions and put it on the e-scooter. See if we can get a shot of the e-scooter, something. It's very simple. Instructions look to be really good. And we're gonna see if I can connect it somewhere in the back. Well, I think it's doable. If I put a bracket in the back, 2 brackets, I think. I'm not sure this is gonna work out. This might be only in the front. Or not, I'm not sure. That excuse the noise. Working on the roof next door. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this on for the base, and then I just attach it to the bottom. Well, I think I got it. That's gonna be the bottom base, and then the secondary base would be somewhere here. I don't think this is strong enough to secure it to that. I'm not sure. Folks, I think I got it. Check this out. I really didn't want to take the basket off because I put my mail in here. Secured this thing. I cranked it down. This is good quality plastic, and looks like it's pretty much horizontal once I'm sitting on the bike. Check that out. I'm gonna hook the GoPro up to my phone to see what the view is. But that's what it looks like. It's gonna be interesting. Of course, I'm gonna put this is just a quick test. I'm gonna put the other GoPro mount back up here with another camera so I can get a front and rear facing view. I just want to see what the look I get from this one. So yeah, let's give it a test drive. It's not the best view of me, but just keep in mind it's for the video. You can use it for different applications. I just want to see what the view looks like. Gravel road. We're gonna go ahead and take it on pavement. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Pretty cool. I can just stand here and talk to you. I have the preview on the screen. So, and you can move it around. If you had another one of these, you can put one up in front. But they make an accessory for a taller mount, not as high as this one, for the front. And I can use them in conjunction with 2 cameras. Go ahead and head down to the campground and then we'll head back. Short and sweet video. People heading out. This is Keller Ferry Marina. preview looks good, folks. We're going to go ahead and head back, and I'll check out the video during the editing and get it up on YouTube. That's it, folks. I'm liking it so far, what I see on the preview on the phone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit that like, subscribe.